back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, it's your first time visiting, my name is Mackenzie and I go by Mac. And I have a dog named Jack, and we upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week together. So he's going to be in all my videos. Today we're going to show you guys how to make a kimono. It's really easy to make, really fun to make. It's a really useful item in your closet because there's a lot of times when you can just use one for an accessory. So it's a great accessory to have in your closet. This one is a really short kimono. It's not too long, but you can make it as long as you want. But this is only a yard of fabric that I got. I got this fabric from Joann. It's some new fabric that they have at the store, and I'm in love with it. I'm gonna go back and get every single color and make all these different color kimonos. Okay, so let's jump into the video. We're starting right now. For this kimono, I got 1 yard of material and it is 58 inches wide. If you want yours to be longer, you may need more fabric. You will also need a measuring tape, fabric scissors, and sewing pins. Turn your fabric right sides together. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the edge of this fabric off on both sides because it serves no purpose. Now it's time to do your measurements, and mine are going to be 14.5 inches for the sleeves, and that is what I'm marking right now. Now I'm measuring how wide I want my kimono, and it ended up being 8 inches, which is going to be 16 inches total. And so just draw a line up to meet the other one, and you're just going to make a T shape. For this part of the tutorial, I'm going to be using a rotary cutter. You can use scissors, but the rotary cutter is a little bit easier sometimes. This is what your kimono should look like right now. Now pin up the sides of the kimono and at the bottom of the sleeves. Sew where you pinned it.
Jackie's such a good helper.
This is how your kimono should look right now. It should be sewn at the bottom of the sleeves and at the sides. And now you're just going to hem everything. So take the fabric, fold it over once, and then fold it over again. You're just going to hem it at the bottom of the kimono and the sleeves. Then you're going to sew where you pinned it. The next step is to measure where the center of your kimono is, and then you're going to just cut straight up. And this is the last step of making your kimono. You're going to hem where you cut up the center of it. You'll just fold the fabric once and then fold it again and pin it. Then you'll just sew where you pinned it. You are all done with your kimono. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching.